Alright, I'm gonna roll to hit on the screen. Boom, 19
Another
to
fucking
hit.
19.
Let's go.
Did you grab my dagger on the way up?
Eldritch Blast.
If you Eldritch Blast, you can hit 1 and 3.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Well, you gotta roll 3 20s since you gotta count Imran.
So yeah, I gotta roll 3 to hit.
Technically, it doesn't hit me.
Well, he has a plus on his.
Okay, I rolled a 24.
You're gonna jump. Jump through. That's on the first one.
And then I also rolled a 20.
That doesn't hit him, and you gotta roll one more for 3.
Yeah.
Well, that was the first one I rolled on the screen.
That was 24, right?
Yeah, you got.
Yeah.
And then this one was 20, and you gotta roll for 3.
Okay.
Wait, is that not Colin?
It is, but he's not hitting him.
10.
Bam.
Eldritch Blast.
Now you need to roll for damage.
My bonus
Like you're up to this.
action.
You still have an attack, so it's your regular attack.
Oh, well,
You use
I'm going to use my attack,
There's no more chips.
and I'm going to use my dagger to go in and stab this wolf, because it's trying to attack us.
And it's already bit me.
So I'm going to roll to hit for that on the screen. Roll a 16
16.
to hit.
Does that hit?
It does hit.
Alright. I'm going to roll for my dagger real quick. Hit it for 5.
5 damage.
5 damage.
Yeah.
That wolf whimpers, with your dagger leaving with him.
Oh.
Stuck in his hard meat on his shoulder.
Well.
Whimpering backwards. You hear Locke shifting in the trees.
I woke up.
That one's already on a good one. I'll take this one.
19.
19.
What a play. What a play.
Alright, how you gonna hit him?
Double hand meleeing them with my warhammer. So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna lift it up like this. And I'm just gonna go and die. I mean, he's still bringing it up, so obviously
He's just
don't you cheat.
poking you.
I'm just saying I was right.
I'm finna bow a bitch.
saying I was right. So
I'm
I'm
finna
going for
bow a
both.
bitch.
Let's roll. I rolled a 13 and a nat 20 for 1 and 3.
1 and 3.
Yep.
Let's go.
Within 5, so I'm gonna go ahead and. What do I want to hit him with? I'm gonna go ahead and take the dagger staff since he already has 1 in him. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll mine to hit. Drop my dagger on the ground. And I'll go back 10 feet.